Hello everyone, today I'm going to be going over one of my new favorite 3D prints. This one's called the Magic Portal Illusion, and you'll see what I mean once I get this assembled about Magic Portal. Let me go over the parts first. The main things that make up this illusion are these two spirals right here. This one right here is printed in a dual silk, red and gold. And this is a tri-silk with purple, green, and blue. Okay, let's go over assembly. First things first with this is attaching this stick right here. And it should, let me see. There we go. That goes right in there. Next, we gotta line up these. Now this, I've assembled this once before and I found these can be a little tricky to get in. Let's see. You gotta watch me fumbling around here for a second. You know what? Magic of editing. One quick edit later, and you see, I got that on there. And this is, got that on there. So, one thing to note is you're going to want to put a ball bearing right here with one of those little prints. One of these. Let me focus. One of these just goes down right there. So now that that part's done, we can put on the next part, which is this cap right here. You see it's threaded just for that. Get this here. And there we go. That's on. Now that that's on, this piece. Again, another ball bearing with one of those little pieces right there. And you can see it has spots for both of those. Put that in there first. There we go. And there we go. Nice and secure. And so what you'll have is this first part assembled. Next up, make sure you put this on next. Let me take a look. Put this right here. This will be the top. Put our bearing right down there. Put that on there. And this is the base. You'll see the same thing there. Get that lined up. Make sure that's on there. And just test fit all my parts now. Okay, once this is a test fit right now. Oh yeah, look at that. This is the illusion right here. Now that looks really cool. One last thing I need to do is I'll take this off real quick again. And actually, I got a little bit of lube from my printer. And now it's going to lube up all these bearings real quick. So now that they're all lubed up, what I'm going to do, put that back in. And I will super glue this in place. Oh, I love that multi-board I printed. So nice, everything's right in hand's reach. Okay. So for super gluing this, I'm just going to dab a little bit on each of these points right here. Since we know the test fit works, I'm not worried about this. Okay. Now that super glue has been given some time to dry, it's nice and secure on here. All the parts are lubed up, and we can watch this in full effect. So if you see this, that'll just rotate like normal. If I grab it, it gives the illusion. It's a little loud, but I don't know. I just really think this is one of the coolest 3D prints.